Did you think the person in that video was real? Because they're not. No actor, no camera, no filming day, no casting call.
That is a fully AI-generated UGC Avatar video made in minutes using a single tool called Fotor. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you already know I teased this in my last video. I told you I was going to show you exactly how it's done. And today, we're doing it step by step. Let's get started.
All right, we're inside Fotor. Go ahead and head to the UGC Avatar tool. First, you need to upload your products. The product images you upload should showcase as many different angles of the product as possible. In the reference media section, first upload an image to serve as your desired background. Next, move on to the audio component.
Rather than relying on AI-generated voices, you have the option to upload your own pre-recorded audio.
Finally, select your avatar. If you do not find one to your liking among the options provided by Fotor, you can upload your own image instead. Next, enter your prompt.
There is one step here that people most often overlook. Your script needs to sound like a real person speaking. Not a product description or an advertised, much like someone sending a text message to a friend to recommend a product.
Here's the formula I use. From opening hook, what I found to what it did for me and the soft CTA, and here's an example script for a skincare brand.
Okay, I have to talk about this because my skin has been so dry lately and I finally found something that actually works.
See how that sounds? Specific, personal, zero marketing jargon.
Finally, select the video's dimensions, duration, and other settings, then click Generate.
Okay, I have to talk about this because my skin has been so dry lately and I finally found something that actually works. It's this serum I found and literally within 3 days, my skin looked different.
All right, that is everything you need to start making realistic UGC Avatar videos today. If you'd like the prompts used in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.